Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the art of upcycling and gardening. In this segment, we'll dive deep into the world of repurposed plant containers and explore various items that can be transformed into charming homes for your plants. Join us as we embark on a journey of creativity and sustainability, learning how to repurpose old buckets, wooden crates, mason jars, and tin cans into unique planters that will add character and style to your garden while reducing waste. Finding the perfect containers. When it comes to repurposing items as plant containers, the possibilities are endless. Take a moment to explore your surroundings, including your garage, attic, or local thrift stores, to find suitable items for your upcycling projects. Look for old buckets, wooden crates, mason jars, and tin cans with interesting shapes and sizes. Keep in mind the types of plants you intend to grow and choose containers that can accommodate their growth and provide adequate drainage. Preparing the containers. Once you've gathered your chosen items, it's time to prepare them for their new life as plant containers. For buckets and crates, begin by cleaning them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Then, using a drill and an appropriate drill bit, create drainage holes in the bottom of the containers. These holes will allow excess water to escape, preventing root rot and promoting healthy plant growth. Make sure to space the holes evenly and adjust their size based on the type of plants you'll be cultivating. Personalizing the containers. One of the joys of upcycling plant containers is the opportunity to infuse your own personal style and creativity into each piece. Consider giving your containers a fresh coat of paint to match your garden's color scheme, or create a unique pattern. Choose paints that are safe for outdoor use and compatible with the material of the container. Alternatively, you can explore the art of decoupage by using patterned paper, fabric, or botanical prints to decorate the surface of the containers. Apply a decoupage medium over the material to seal it and protect it from moisture. Enhancing the aesthetics. To further enhance the aesthetics of your repurposed plant containers, consider adding additional embellishments. For example, you can attach decorative handles to wooden crates, wrap twine or ribbon around tin cans, or attach labels to mason jars. These small touches will elevate the visual appeal of your planters and make them truly unique. Choosing the right plants. Now that your repurposed plant containers are ready, it's time to choose the right plants for each container. Consider the size and depth of the containers, as well as the specific growing requirements of the plants you intend to cultivate. Smaller containers, such as mason jars and tin cans, are ideal for succulents, herbs, or small flowering plants, while larger containers like buckets and crates can accommodate a variety of vegetables, flowers, or even small trees. Ensure that your chosen plants have enough space to grow and that their water and sunlight needs align with the location of the containers in your garden. Maintenance and care. Proper maintenance and care are vital for the health and longevity of your repurposed plant containers. Regularly monitor the moisture levels of the soil and water your plants accordingly, taking care not to overwater. Place your planters in suitable locations based on the sunlight requirements of the plants. As your plants grow, provide necessary support or repot them into larger containers if needed. Regularly inspect the containers for any signs of damage or wear, and make repairs or replacements as necessary. Congratulations on exploring the world of repurposed plant containers. By breathing new life into old buckets, wooden crates, mason jars, and tin cans, you've not only added unique and stylish elements to your garden, but also contributed to reducing waste and embracing sustainable practices. Remember to find containers that suit your plant's needs, prepare them properly, and infuse your creativity into each piece. With these repurposed plant containers, your garden will become a reflection of your personal style and a testament to your commitment to sustainable living. Join us in our next segment, where we'll continue our exploration of upcycling and sustainable gardening practices. Happy gardening and upcycling!